a ball is dropped from height. If it takes 0.2 second to cross last 6 meters before hitting the ground, find the height from which it was dropped. So suppose a ball is there and it is falling some height, and it says that to cover last 6 meters. So last 6 meters it takes 0.2 second for last 6 meters. Find the height from which it was dropped. So this is the height total, and from here it was dropped, and to cover last 6 meters it takes 0.2 seconds. So find the height. So we will write the equation. So h will be half gt square. If t is the total time taken to fall and h is the total height. So if time is t for this fall, so we can write h equal to half gt square. For this part, means from here to here only, last 6 meters we are going to leap. So how much time it will take? So it will and how much height it will have? So h minus 6. This is h minus 6 meters. It has to fall, and the time taken will be half g total time minus 0.2 second, because last 6 meter part takes 0.2 second time. So what we are going to do is we will subtract this 0.2 from the time, and total time taken will be less than total time taken will be t minus 0.2 second. Now we are going to solve these two equations. So how to solve these two equations? So first we are going to either we can find time or we can find the height. So it is better to solve for time first, because if you subtract these two, if you subtract equation 1 from equation 1 with equation 2, you are going to have 6 equal to half gt square minus half g t minus 0.2 square. If you solve it further, half gt square minus half gt square plus g by 2 0.2 square, and okay, this will be minus, and then we will have plus will be g by 2 into 2 into 0.2. So that is, and t also. So 0.2 into t into 2 into g by 2. So this much we have to do. So you can see these two are cancelled. So we are having 6 equal to, if you solve it further, that g is 10. So it will be how much? 10 by 2 into 2 by 10 and 2 by 10. So this is cancelled, this is cancelled, minus these two are cancelled, and we will have g is 10 into 0.2, so 2t. If you can solve it further, this will be how much? This will be 6, and this is how much? This is 0.2 minus 2. So the t which we are going to get is the t which we are going to get is 6.2 by 2. This much we are getting. Okay, let us check it again. Half gt square minus g by 2 t minus 2 square. So if we solve it, this will be g by 2 and g by 2.2. Okay, fine. Then this is 2. So how much is total time we are taking? कितना आ रहा है इसको देखिए तो सॉल्व करते हैं चलिए. Okay, so after this what we are going to do is, if you solve it, it will be 6.2 plus 6.2 by 2, so it will be 3.1 seconds. So total time taken is 3.1 seconds. So what will be total height? So if you write the total height, that is given by this formula, half gt square. So total height h will be half gt square. So half and G is 10 and T square, this is 3.1 square. So this we need to do. So that will be how much? 31 square is 9.61. So 96 by 2 approx. So this is how much? 4, approximately 48 meter or 48.05, you can say 48 meter height. So this was the total height, 48 meter. आई थिंक इट इज करेक्ट. ये करेक्ट है मुझे लग रहा है, क्योंकि देखिए मुझे लग रहा है आंसर मुझे इसलिए ध्यान में नहीं, क्योंकि जी का वैल्यू 9.8 शायद दिया होगा, इसलिए ऐसा अलग आ रहा होगा, क्योंकि उसमें परफेक्ट स्क्वायर पहले एक और मैंने किया था तो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर में आ जाता है वो, तो वो 9.8 रहा होगा, इसलिए शायद वैसा होगा. 9.8 होगा और इधर भी 9.8 कुछ रहा होगा. ठीक है, जो भी है 48 सही दिख रहा है, क्योंकि देखिए 48 अगर हाइट होगा ना तो लास्ट में 0.2 सेकेंड लग सकता है इतना. समझ रहे हैं? इज इट क्लियर?